Esposito here, and the purpose of this video is to help anyone understand the basic processes for thermoforming here at Orange Packaging. So I'll start with one job that we're working on now, so you get a feel and an understanding of the simple steps that we do here. So this particular job, customer is looking for a vac form that holds their product in a vac form tray that will go into a SPS setup box with a window. The product is sent to us. A drawing is made on our computer. The drawing is then sent to our CNC machines, which will CNC out a pattern out of a material called REN, R-E-N. We will then put this sample REN material in our sample machine, and we will pull a shot. When the shot is pulled off of the tool, it is then sent to the customer for comments. Comments are usually, it's too loose, it's too tight, make this change, make that change. We will then make those changes to this REN material, pull a second shot, and send it to the client for a final approval. They'll sign off on it, come back, and now we know we have our final approval to make our tool out of aluminum. This aluminum piece is more expensive than the final mold. You don't want to make any changes after you go to aluminum. This is already made, and this goes into our thermoform machine and is ready for production. The process here is, it starts with a block of, that's the REN material you saw over there. It just starts with a simple block of material, and that is placed onto the machine here, and this CNC machine will route out the pattern that you saw over in the piece on the table over there. Then, when it's time to make the mold, same process. The block of aluminum is cut and made here, and that aluminum then is sent into our CNC machine, where it will route out the patterns that we made in the drawing and get this ready for final assembly, final production in the thermoform machine. There's also a secondary operation after it comes out, where all these tools are hand polished, and there's venting that is done in the back of the tool. There's patterns that allow the air to go through the aluminum and suck the plastic, the heated plastic, down around the mold. So you'll see, well, you can't see it in here, but there's very small vent holes that are placed in all of the cavities. So when the plastic gets placed over this in a sheet form, it is sucked down into the cavities, and then it comes out, is ejected and die cut and placed in a box. So those are the basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps of vac forming, and hopefully this helps you. If anyone has any questions or would like to come up and visit, we'd be happy to take you on a tour. Again, this is Orange Packaging, and we're here to help.